have reached Satya Niketan. Hi Rahul.
Hi bro.
Hi Madhu.
Yo bro.
What's up?
I'm good, you tell.
So we have reached Satya Niketan and let's figure out in which cafe we'll go.
Yo. Okay, so yeah, it's Satya Niketan and yo.
Yo, just you had joined us. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
We have reached here and
Sorry. So we are at the Wall City.
peace out. We had a great day and we are heading back to our college.
Yo.
Madhuban, how was your day? How was your day?
Fun.
Yeah, just two. How was it?
It was
Like-
damn good.
Yeah,
Are you peeping in?
this was
What are
our
you doing?
first experience at Satya Niketan.
Yeah, video चल रही है आप क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे साइड होइए आप जिसमें मिसिंग इज शीशा या
Shisha.
बैटरी या badly